Did you know that the Kansas City real estate market has appreciated nearly 89% over the past 8 years? That's an annual growth rate of 9.52%, which is well above the national average. This city is quietly becoming one of the most lucrative places to invest in real estate. And today, I'm gonna show you why. Welcome to my channel. If you've been looking for an emerging market with incredible investment potential, Kansas City should be on your radar. From affordable property prices to an exploding rental market, this city offers opportunities for investors that you just can't ignore. By the end of this video, you're gonna understand why Kansas City is the next best thing for real estate investments. For years, Kansas City has been overlooked and overshadowed by other places like Denver and Austin. Many investors and people just see Kansas City as a flyover city, assuming that there is little to no opportunity or things to do here. But that assumption could not be further from the truth. The real challenge has been breaking through that perception and recognizing Kansas City for what it truly is. And in my opinion, it's a market that is ripe and has a lot of untapped potential. The misconception that Kansas City doesn't offer strong investment opportunities has kept prices lower than the national average. And this is giving early investors the opportunity to seize high value properties before the rest of the market catches on. So what is fueling Kansas City's secret investment boom? Let me break it down for you. Number one is the affordability. Kansas City's average home price is $286,000, which is 17% below the national average. It ranks 7th for affordable working class single family homes, with 82% of them being 2 to 4 bedroom sized homes. This affordability gives investors more bang for their buck with higher potential returns on investment. Compare that to other cities like Austin or Denver, where average home prices can easily be up to $500,000. Imagine buying a property in Kansas City for $300,000, invest a little bit into renovations, and still staying under the price point of similar properties in other major markets. That's value. Number two is strong appreciation rates. Over the past 8 years, home prices in Kansas City have appreciated by nearly 89%, which again is an annual growth rate of 9.52%. That is 5.8% higher than the national average. To put this into perspective for you, if you were to buy a $200,000 home 8 years ago, it could now be worth about $380,000. So if you need help with that math, that is $180,000 in equity in just 8 years. The rental market has also seen phenomenal growth. Rents have appreciated by 55% over the last decade, which is about 5% annually. This steady appreciation means that your investment property isn't just generating cash flow, it's also building up equity a lot faster than a lot of other markets. The third thing is economic strength. Kansas City boasts a very diverse economic base. We have major corporations like Cerner, Garmin, and Hallmark headquarters here. The $800 million Meta data center that recently opened and the $1.5 billion Kansas City terminal are just two examples of massive investments that are completely transforming our city. Its strategic location as a logistics hub further solidifies its economy, attracting industries in transportation, technology, and manufacturing. Combined with a low cost of living, this economic stability continues to draw in new residents. Number four is the growing population and rental demand. Kansas City's population growth fuels consistent demand for housing. This is especially true for the rental market. With a 76% renter-occupied rate in areas such as downtown Kansas City, young professionals and families are flocking to the city for job opportunities, making it a very attractive market for rental properties. Kansas City's rental vacancy rate of just 3.5% highlights the strong demand for housing, which ensures that landlords experience minimal downtime between their tenants. Now let's explore some of the neighborhoods that are driving Kansas City's big boom. Number one is probably my favorite, and it is North Kansas City. This area is buzzing with new development, from high-rise condos to Meta's $800 million data center. The Northland is attracting tech companies and many new residents. Additionally, the KCI airport is already boosting traffic and business in the area, which makes it a perfect place for investors. Number two is the Crossroads Art District. The Crossroads is very well known for its art scene and industrial architecture. I like to think of it as a hub for young professionals and creators. This district is going to offer a mix of loft-style apartments apartments, and new developments that cater to the city's growing urban population. Number 3 is the River Market. It's nestled along the Missouri River, and this historic neighborhood offers modern apartments, lofts, and condos. There are also infrastructure projects going on like the Kansas City streetcar line, which is enhancing its accessibility and driving more people in. Number 4 is Waldo. This is another area that I really like. Waldo offers affordable single-family homes anywhere from $80,000 to $200,000. This family-friendly area is experiencing revitalization, creating opportunities for property appreciation. Number 5 is Westport. This is a diverse and very lively area, known for its mix of historic homes but also newer apartments. Westport has a thriving nightlife and entertainment scene, which makes it great for renters. And lastly, number 6 is Redbridge North. This suburban neighborhood ranks highly for young professionals and diversity. The median sales price here is about $250,000 and 44% rental occupied households. So this one is perfect for investors seeking a stable return. Here's the kicker. Vacancy rates in Kansas City remain incredibly low, while demand for rentals is climbing. Coupled with strong appreciation rates and affordable entry points, this market offers unmatched potential for long-term wealth. Investors who get in now are very likely to see significant returns as the market continues to grow. Kansas City's real estate market isn't just growing, it is thriving. With affordable prices, a booming rental market, and strong economic fundamentals, it's no wonder why investors are flocking here. Whether you're looking for a single-family home, a multi-family home, or commercial opportunities, Kansas City has something for everyone. Now I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on Kansas City's investment opportunities? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to check out my next video where I'm going to dive into specific investment strategies for making the most out of this booming market. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.